And as for the last part of this question, it is about integration. Integration to find this area, okay, the area of the shaded part that is bounded between the curve and the x-axis. In order for me to find this, okay, we need the coordinates of this point, and this point. This point we have already derived from the previous part, where it is 3 over 2, 1 over square root 2, and that is when t, the parameter on this curve C, is 1 over square root of 2. This point, this is the point when x and y are 0. And when x is equal to 0, you can see that t is equal to 0. And of course, when y is equal to 0, t is also equal to 0. Okay, that is why at this point, it is at 0, 0. And that is when t is also equal to 0. This is the point. The x coordinate is 3 over 2. And how about this point? At that point over there, that is when y is equal to 0. So when y is equal to 0, x is going to be equal to 0 squared plus 1. So x is going to be equal to 1 at this particular point. So the area that we are talking about, it is going to be the area between this curve, curve C, and the x-axis. So it is integration from 0 all the way until 3 over 2 of y dx. Minus away this region here, which is integration of this curve with respect to the x-axis, from 1 all the way until 3 over 2. For this curve, y squared is going to be equal to x minus 1. So y is going to be positive square root of x minus 1. Positive square root because y is supposed to be bigger or equal to 0. So for that portion, it is going to be integration from 1 all the way until 3 over 2 of square root of x minus 1 dx. With this that I have here, it is the integration of curve C. So I'm going to make use of the parametric form of the curve, which means that the x limits here, I'm going to replace them by the parameter t. When x is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. When x is equal to 3 over 2, t, we have found out from the previous part, it is 1 over square root of 2. And y, dx here, I'm going to replace it by dx, dt, dt. Minus this actually I can integrate, it is, let me just try to rewrite it first. X minus 1 to the power of half, which I can integrate it directly. So this is integration from 0 to 1 over square root 2 of y. Y is 2t to the power of 3. And dx is equal to 6t of dt. Integration of this is x minus 1 to the power of 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 from 1 all the way until 3 over 2. Let me factorize out 2 times 6, which is 12. So 12 integration from 0 to 1 over square root of 2 of t to the power of 4 dt. 1 over 3 over 2, let me take it out of the, this bracket. So it is minus 2 over 3 of x minus 1 to the power of 3 over 2 from 1 all the way until 3 over 2. This is easy to integrate. It is just going to be t to the power of 5 over 5 from 0 all the way until 1 over square root of 2. As for this is minus 2 over 3. Substituting the values in, substituting in 3 over 2 minus 1, it is going to leave me with a half. So it is half to the power of 3 over 2. 1 sub inside, it is 0. So I'm left with this. Subbing this in, it is going to be 12 over 5 of 1 over square root of 2 to the power of 5. And this is going to be minus 2 over 3. 1 over 2 to the power of 3 over 2 is 1 over 2 square root of 2. And what I have here, this is going to be 12 over 5 of 1 over 4 square root of 2 minus, this is 1 over 3 square root of 2. And that is why my answer is going to be 4 over 15 square root of 2.